Look at this. Looks like vanilla. Smells so delicious. See? So, nothing sweeter like this, man. You see? This is Hydinora. And grows from the ground like this. So, now I have eaten one here. And the inner part is like vanilla or ice cream, you see? So, very sweet. Oh, the cameraman is salivating, huh? So, when we are walking, you come here, you see? This is how you look for Hydinora. You talk at the ground here, you see it's soiled. So you do this, you smell the soil. This one is not yet. This one is not yet. So if you do this, there's an Hydinora down here. See? So even here, I have another one here. I don't know whether it's ready. This one is not ready yet. You see, that is how you look for Hydinora. Oh! This one is almost, this one was, I was interfered by rain. So we have so many among here. Look at this, come here. See? This one is about to flower. We have some here.
Roots.
This is the root, this is the tuber before flowering. And this one I'm going to use it for my own consumption at home. And use it at home. So you see, this is the flower. This is the part that grows to become the ball. And when it is ripe, you see this one? This is the root. Look at this. This is Hydinora. So I'm going to carry this one back home so as I can cook with it. I'm looking for a ripe one, which I'm going to use to eat. Yeah, it's so sweet. This one was.